how to delete GCash account. This is a step-by-step guide, so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to open up the GCash application right here. Go ahead and enter your password. And once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the profile at the bottom of your screen, which is this one. Now after clicking on profile, you can then go ahead and see the number of your GCash account and the name of your profile. You can just go ahead and click on this arrow right here and it will take you to the full details of your account. You want to scroll down and just below our screen, you can then go ahead and see the delete account option. You can just go ahead and click on it and you should be good to go. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.